Bago kabalin, kumusta kayo po? My name is Louie and welcome to Pampanga, where we discover great places for you to check out. For today's vlog, meron po akong katanungan sa inyo. Do you want to start your own online selling business, or are you an existing online business and you want to expand more? Kaya naman, ikaw yung gusto mo lang ng OOTD na shopping, you gotta check this out. Nandito po tayo ngayon sa Trendy AC's Boutique. So this is located po sa Angeles City. And we're gonna go inside. Tingnan natin kung ano mga tinitinda nila. Let's go! So, yun guys, this is Trendy AC's Boutique. Located po ito dito sa may PTT gas station along Fil-Am, Friendship Highway, Santo Domingo, Angeles City. And coming in here, you'll notice, of course, para sa mga naghahanap ng mga OOTDs, this is gonna be a paradise. However, kapag online seller ka naman, this is also a paradise for you guys. So, aside from the walk-in customers that they want to attract, isa sa mga napakagandang balita para sa mga online sellers is they have a place for you. Kung gusto mo ng isang lugar kung saan magla-live video ka, so they can actually provide the place for you. The place is already set up, so meron kang ring light, you have your microphone, you have your mannequins, you have your internet connection, a room that is really well lit. Okay, yung lighting natin dyan. So this is the place for you, no? Ang gagawin mo lang, you just go here, bring your cell phone, kuha ka ng mga items, and start selling. So, the shop opens at 10 a.m. up until 7 p.m. Monday to Sunday. Now, going 7 p.m. onwards, you can actually have a private shopping dito. So, you can schedule it, bring a group of, siguro, group of 4, group of 5, and then they will close the entire shop for you guys. So meron silang feeding area dito. You can try on as low as 80 pesos if I'm not mistaken, no, starting do sa mga dress nila. What if 1,000 pesos? Grabe, ang dami mo nang mabibili dito. So ayun nga, if you are an online seller, an experienced online seller, or if you want to start your own online selling business nga, you just message them. So magpapabook po tayo, they're gonna reserve the area for you. Usually 3 hours yan. In a single day, they can book up until 4 siguro na online sellers. Pupunta ka lang dito, you're gonna pick the items you want to sell. Kapag nag-confirm yung mga bumibili sa atin, nag-mine, confirm yung binili nga natin, so, yun lang ang babayaran mo. It's up to you how much you mark up yung isang item. Look at the opportunity, no? Walang gaanong kailangan na puhunan. You just go here with your cellphone. Mag-online selling ka lang. Actually, yung ginawa namin kanina, nag-online selling kami dito, guys. And for the first time, I was able to sell 4 clothes. Isipin nyo yun. So, no need for an internet connection subscription because they're gonna provide the internet for you. So that's the place. Ang ganda po ng lugar. So, items are ranging from short denims, denim pants, denim jackets, mga pang OOTDs na pang Sunday's best. You also have your dress. Available din pala dito yung mga maxi dress. Ayan. So, for this vlog, of course, hindi po natin mapipinpoint isa-isa dyan. But if you are interested to check their items, make sure to check out Trendy AC's Boutique. We're gonna flash the Facebook fan page and itatag din natin siya sa mga captions natin below. You can ask them kung ano yung mga available items natin dito. By the way guys, just to let you know as well, no, so isa po sila sa mga suppliers, one of the biggest suppliers dito po sa lugar natin sa Pampanga as well as nationwide for these kinds of items. If you want to start your own, ukay-ukay or a thrifty store, make sure to contact them as well po. So they're gonna give you some packages that, really good deal. So, ayun guys, calling out all OOTD fanatics, or if you are an online seller and gusto mong makakita pa ng mga items na gustong ibenta online, you gotta check out Trendy AC's Boutique. So again, located po sila dito sa PTT gas station along Fil-Am, Friendship Highway, Santo Domingo, Angeles City. They are open from 10 a.m. up until 7 p.m. daily, Monday to Sunday. So guys, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and make sure to check out Trendy's AC. Until our next discovery, peace out guys, bye. Hi mommy. happy?
Happy.
Are you happy?
Yeah.